Drone mapping, preparation. Before heading out into the field, it is very important that you prepare ahead of time for the drone survey. Your project will not be successful without this preparation. The key steps for preparation include aircraft maintenance and mapping out your site. Aircraft maintenance includes the following steps. 1. Charge batteries for both the drone, controller, and tablet. If they have not been charged recently, they may have lost some of their power. Make sure you have extra drone batteries available in case they're needed. 2. While still connected to Wi-Fi, check the drone software to make sure everything is up to date. This includes the aircraft, controller, DJI flight map database, and the Pix 4D capture app. 3. Use the Transport Canada flight map and the DJI flight map to check you are not flying in restricted airspace. Blue and red polygons are restricted from drone flight. If you find that your survey site overlaps with restricted airspace, you will need to use alternative methods to complete your survey, such as handheld GPS. Yellow polygons show the location of smaller airfields, seaplane terminals, and helicopter landing pads. You can fly in these areas, but extra caution is required to prevent accidents from occurring. If you are aware when aircraft will use these areas, do not fly during those times. If you are unsure, contact the company or pilot that will be using this space to let them know you will be flying a drone. 4. Download the Pix 4D Capture app from the App Store or Google Play and use the app to download the base map for your site and to build a flight polygon marking the area you wish to map. This can only be completed with a Wi-Fi signal. Detailed instructions for this step can be found in Section 4. 5. Pack and double-check that your drone, controller, and tablet are ready for use. And don't forget your controller cable. Format your SD cards and pack your drone manual, operational and emergency procedures, and flight log. If you do not have written operational and emergency procedures or a flight log, contact your crew lead or manager to help you put these together. 6. Make sure your weather forecast is looking clear for flying. More on this in Section 5.